As I said, boy, I haven't seen him for so long. Very distinctive sound. So even if you don't know him personally from your hear the sound, you know it's I-Wayne. See him there? I-Wayne. Long time in a Bridget.
Rough and tough. All them are off and puff, you see?
Well, go on. Apart from the new single, what else going on with you? We'll talk about the new single in a second or two. Go on.
First of all, protecting and preserving life, you know? So once you're protecting and preserving life, you know, you'll surely get what you deserve in life. You know what I say? Yeah, so preserving life now, the foundation that, you know? Yeah, so, you know, we have to do even some community, you know, projects as well, you know what I say?
Yeah.
And we work with a lot of young artists as well, you know, we'll collab with the young youth them, you know? Because I have some very talented youth. We work with like artists like Empress Janelle, Empress Amai, you know? Dusty Vibes, you know?
Yeah. How has the business been for you? You've been in it for a little while now. How has it been for you?
It's a Ilam Valley vibe, you know, because, you know, all the young artists have to forward and share the space as well. So, and I really like, you know, them to see up on the scene for a while, like, you're gone, we're gonna hide, but more time, I need time for rejuvenate, you know? Some rejuvenation time. I write some new thing. I go and do some single too.
Yeah.
So some whole heap of singles. So
you have a whole heap of singles because you only have three albums. I say only, but three albums.
Three compilation.
Yeah, but you have a whole lot of singles.
Yeah. So I can just go for 10 songs now and release them and them work like magic because them have the substance, you know?
Yeah. Domestic war?
Yeah. Instead of just domestic violence because, you know, as I say, man a kill woman a kill man as well, you know? Yeah, so it's not just domestic violence, it's like war, you know, man and woman a war, you know.
Why you want it to go there?
No, because I have to burn it out because, you know, I say, it get too much, you know, it get too wild and mad and too dirty, you know. Yeah, as I say, too toxic.
And you feel that you can make a difference? You feel you can make a difference when people hear your song and say, no, let's start penetrate that.
Yeah, because as I say, you have to live it, you know, as I say, bad vibe can appear, you know, but how you deal with it, you know what I say? You know, when you just run to the beast, you can't just run to the beast with problem or else a more problem. You have to just find a way to burn it out, you know? Yeah. You just know, so we have to live as one, you know, mama and papa, you know, help each other, as the song say, you know?
Yeah.
You know?
If someone didn't hear I-Wayne and say, what kind of style you have, what would you tell them? If I never hear you perform, never hear a song, and somebody introduce you to
me that for those make them know say it's unlimited, because it's unlimited. I have no one way or me sing, you know? Yeah, it's an unlimited vibe. You know, I say you can hear a little jazz flow, a little raga flow. It's unlimited. You know, I say some people I say a little sing J flow. Yeah.
As a youth, you did say anybody out there that you say, like, only
artists, man. Even, you know, just to name a few, you know, D Brown, you know, Sade, Anita Baker, Sizzler them. A whole heap of them, Marcia Griffiths, Berries. You know, them enough, you know. Remember the bird, remember the talented ones, them enough. But just to name a few, you know.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you just found your own little niche, though. I mean, you not sound like nobody. You didn't want to sound.
Yeah, because you know, we love and respect them, but you know, Sizzler already, Neville already. So I-Wayne have to be I-Wayne. Natural.
Where the name come from? This I-Wayne.
You know, my parents call me Dwayne. So I have a agent by the name of Grungfire, you know. Yeah, my cousin them I say, yo, Dwayne in already, and I say Dwayne. I-Wayne, man, that before, you know, we even start trying to a certain heights, you know what I say? Yeah. So I saw me get the name, you know, by the agent name Grungfire, you know. Yeah. Him here Dwayne, so I make them know say I-Wayne, you know.
What's next for I-Wayne?
I have a project by the name of Natural Flow. You know, so Sizzler, one of the first artists. Because, you know, we have to produce something too. You know what I say? So one of my first major production, you know. And the Life Glow Records label. That's my label as well, you know what I say?
But that's not new.
Life Glow Record? Yeah. It's fairly new, you know what I say? So, as I say, we have a lot of young artists we work with. Empress Janelle,
so you are
Empress
producing
Roberta.
them, or you're writing for them? What you doing for them?
If it's a collab now, I can write the collab or whatsoever, but you know, them talented enough so them can write them own things. So, majority of them, about 13 tracks I have on the Natural Flow rhythm. Sizzler, one of the first one, Vice, of course, you know, Loot and Fire, I Freak, you know. Yeah, man, it's a really good, vibe, you know. And as I say, I will a young artist, Empress Amai, Empress Janelle, you know, just to name a few, and an Empress from Spanish Town by the name of Empress Roberta.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I've already said you have 3 albums. Another one.
Three Hypilation. But just I go and do some single, you know, when I time for that, because I remember I have enough songs, you know, I can just do that. I can just go and go release some song as a, you know, a complete good day of work. But as I say, I go and deal with singles. Yeah, sometimes you give them single and make it soak, you know. You don't want to give them 10 things and then by you quit them and say, what's next? And them not hear the next 9 or, you know. Make it soak one by one. Make it soak, man. Not joking.
It's a complete goodie of work.
I really want your complete body, right?
No. It just hit me. That's it. Never say a complete body of work. It's a complete goodie of work.
Journalism is a complete hobby. You know, say why you want a complete body.
We love it. Good to see you, you know, Bridget.
Yeah, man.
Good to see you. Hopefully you're going to do another song for us, or no? Or maybe we can hang around and we'll roll out.
No, what you hang around, you know. You probably can chop and roll out, but what you hang around, you know.
A complete goodie
it's like you try to run off, flick him up, catch your foot, let's say, you see? See, like you try to escape a little, like you try to run off, you see?
We notice, man.
Me take, hang around, you
know. No, man, me take the courage.
Rough and tough.
I win. A big artist. We're going to take a break. More when we come back. Stay with us, please.